Hey, what is up everybody, this is Piyush. Welcome back to Code Heist, and today in this video we are going to see how to install React.js in your PC. So let's begin. First of all, open up your browser and type nodejs.org. So you can see here is the official site of Node.js. Choose any of the version you want to install and click on it to download it. In my case, I am choosing the current version, that is 17.1.0, and wait for it to download. After downloading it, go to the file explorer where the file is saved. In my case, it is in downloads, and here you can see the Node.js. Double click on it and the setup wizard is ready. Now click on next, check the checkbox and click on next. Don't change this location, just click on next. Again next, check the checkbox and click on next, and finally click install. Now here you have to wait for some minutes and it will do everything for you. So I am skipping this loading part. Now you can see the Node.js setup is completed. Click on finish and just press any key to continue. Now it will install some additional tools, but don't worry, it will do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. Now let's verify the installation using command prompt. Type the command node --version and hit enter. It will print the current version of Node installed in your PC. So the first part of video is now over. Node.js is correctly installed in the PC. Now I will install React.js using Node.js commands. I'll be using git bash terminal now. If you don't know how to install it, check out the link in the description. To install React.js, type the following command: npm-g, that is install React.js globally in the PC. I means install and create React app and hit enter. So the React.js has been successfully installed. Now I will show you how to create a simple hello world website using React.js. First of all, move to the directory where you want to save the folder of your website. I am moving to the desktop, cd desktop, and to create the website folder, you have to type the following command: npx create react app and the name of your website. I am giving a name, my website. Hit enter and it will create a website folder for you. The folder contains all the data of the website. Now I am skipping this loading part. Folder has been created successfully. Move to the directory of the folder using the command cd my website and type the command npm start. It will host your website on a local host. So the website is now running. You can take a look on the web browser. You can see the beautiful React logo rotating, and it says edit src app.js, and save it to reload. Now let's edit the app.js file using Notepad++. You can also use VS Code. I think it is a better option. If you don't know how to install it, I have also made a video on it. You can check the link in the description. Here I have removed everything what was written inside the return bracket, and to create a hello world website, just do like this. Save the file. It will be automatically reloaded. So you can see the hello world website is ready. That's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and please make sure you subscribe the channel for more programming related videos. See you next time.